hands. Actually, no, let's make some noise. Clap if you've asked an AI a question today. Okay, now clap if you actually got what you needed from the AI and went straight to the site it recommended.
Perfect. Well, at least you're honest. Okay, clap if you actually remember the brand, the product, the service the AI recommended. Perfect! Congratulations! You are your customers. Right now, more than half of your potential customers get their answer and don't click a single link. They ask, the AI answers, they leave. They analytics, you don't even know you lost them. Your measurement tools simply don't see it. And it's not ChatGPT taking traffic from Google. Google answers the query right there in the results. The user stays inside Google's interface and never lands on your site. It's not a competitor creating this problem. It's the platform you've built your business on for 20 years. For 20 years, one model worked. Rank on top, get the click, convert. It doesn't show you links, it answers. It takes your information. Your site is no longer needed. People aren't just moving to ChatGPT. A whole new class of queries has appeared. Long conversations. But the slice you get through clicks is shrinking, and there will be no single Google anymore. ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, Perplexity, each with its own sources, its own logic. Not one new platform, several parallel worlds. A study of 75,000 brands showed this. Online mentions correlate with AI viability, 3 times more strongly than backlinks. It looks at whether people are talking about you. Every AI engine has its own sources. You can rank first on Google and simply not exist in ChatGPT because it pulls information from requires constant monitoring. In 62% of cases, the AI takes information from your site but never says your name. The user gets your answer and thinks it came from the AI. And a quarter of brands the AI doesn't mention at all. Meanwhile, the top 25% take 10 times more citations than everyone else combined. There's no middle ground here. You're either visible or you don't exist. Now to the part almost nobody talks about. AI traffic converts 5 times better than organic, but one AI session about 1/3 of an organic click, because almost nobody makes it to your site. Your highest converting channel looks like your weakest one in the reports. GA4 counts clicks. In a world without clicks, GA4 is blind. The marketer sees traffic dropping and cuts the content budget. But the content is working. AI pulls information out of it and delivers it straight to the user. You're destroying the very thing that brings results because your measurement tool can't see it. 78% of marketers have no AI visibility strategy. But AI learns from historical data. Whoever builds their advantage, competitors physically cannot replicate. Your job is to become part of the information landscape that every AI builds its answers from. It's the difference between having a perfect resume and being the person people recommend. The whole young geo and AEO industry is being built on numbers that are hard to verify. The same figures get passed from article to article, authors cite circles, and the original source doesn't exist. Which means one thing. The only data you can trust, not industry benchmarks, not someone else's case studies, does the AI know you, and what is it saying about you right now? Let's say you run a hotel with a restaurant in Brussels. You need to build the right queries across the major AI engines, and don't forget Belgium has 3 official languages, plus English-speaking tourists. The data keeps changing. It has to be verified. And what if you've got a chain of these hotels all over the world, and you need to build a strategy? Your marketer's head is going to explode. That's exactly why we built ARPAI GEO, a full-cycle platform for monitoring, analytics, and promoting brands, products, and services across AI search engines. The system analyzes your site and your business. You pick the location and the language you need, types of buyer intent, and sends them to 8 leading AI engines at the same time. Multiple locations and languages for a single company? The system covers 72 countries, 500 regions, over 2,000 cities, and 44 unique languages. A single monitoring run analyzes 120 responses from 8 AI engines and shows you whether you're in the top mentions for every query in every engine. A mathematically calculated confidence index in % for every metric, how users talk about you, your product, your service, your top 10 competitors, and the sources. The system gives you recommendations for A/B testing. A smart assistant explains how to optimize your site and writes the code you need to get indexed by AI engines. The analytics module studies your market and writes a detailed business strategy. And the promotion module creates expert-level content adapted for AI search. Our tracking pixel on your site counts how many visitors came in on an AI recommendation, and from which engine. The exact ones GA4 can't see. The cycle closes, you run it again. The data changes, the strategy changes, the recommendations change, and step by step, you confidently take your rightful place in this information space. I can see the question in your eyes. What's the pricing? And I'm about to surprise you. No pushy subscriptions, no tier limits. The price list works like a cafe menu. You top up your balance. Every action has its own price. Working or resting, your funds don't expire in a month. They don't expire at all until you use them. Find out more on our site, arpaigeo.com. Good luck out there. Bye!